That garden, July 30th, 2026. Some of the dahlias are starting to bloom. Beets are ready to be pulled. We've already pulled a bunch of carrots. Everything. There's some beets. Nice size there. See if we can get a carrot out. Here. Nice carrot. Strawberries are just waiting for next year. The butterfly weed is really blooming great this year. It needs mood, but I'm afraid to move it or it'll die. Eggplants outside, doing great. Pollinators are working. A nice eggplant down here. See? Round eggplant down in there. What do we see? Another oblong eggplant. And the onions, we've been harvesting them. We've actually got a little cauliflower this year. It's not the biggest, but we've got one. You can see. Beans, they're producing great. And butternut squash, we've got them all over the place. Here's some. These are 6x6 squares. Give you an idea of how big they are. Lima beans are starting to bloom down here. Bean beetles have actually gotten on them, and the Japanese beetle. The later corn is in silk now in years. There's going to be pretty good. The later corn, or the early corn, it's almost ready to be picked. Here soon, just needs to fatten up a little bit. Here. See the size of some of the ears. The peas are done. These are just being let dried up for seed for next year. Don't want this to get too long. Some more cauliflower. Paste tomatoes are coming along. Nothing ripened yet. Peppers out here doing okay. Asparagus is still growing like crazy. Potatoes. A lot of potatoes so far. New potatoes. Got some nice new potatoes and fresh green beans the other night. The zucchini. Squash vine borers got to this guy, but it's still producing some. Nice zucchini down here. Everything. This is the delicata squash. It's smaller than the butternut. Doesn't keep as long, but you can actually eat the rind and everything. More dahlias. They need steak. The rain kind of beat them down the other night. Nice dahlias. And that's it for the garden.